Getting the shit kicked out of me here.
Love is gonna find you again.
No, I've kept my hands down.
Love is gonna find you. You better be ready.
That real shit right here.
Yeah. I always feel like a priest. What?
Well, you've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. You've been waiting on that spark, but it hasn't come.
I certainly want to live.
Yeah, well, I'm calling to you, please get off the floor.
The stone pot. The bathroom now.
Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. Just be ready.
I love her.
You're tethered to a bird of soul, a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bow, but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys on our tomorrows for the hope of some returning while everything around you's burning. Come on, we gotta get out of this mess we've made. But still, for all our talking, do we ever set it straight? Or will we leave this up to chance like we do every day? A good heart's gonna find you again. A good heart will find you. You better be ready then. Oh, you're tethered to a bird of soul, to a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over, self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bow, but not believing. You squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys on our tomorrows for the hope of some returning, but everything around you's burning. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. No. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Swear I drive all night again. Just to buy this some treat.
That's my shit.
And it tastes your
Come
tender
on, keep
charm.
it moving.
Oh man, hey, you gotta hold this. My arms are giving up.
And I just wanna sleep tonight again.
Oh shit.
In your arms.
Know you hear me.
Jim White, Joseph Doyle, thank you.
Oh man.